The Intel Xeon E5-2650L V3 is a server-class CPU designed for data centers, cloud computing, and other high-performance computing applications. It is based on the Haswell microarchitecture and was released in Q3 2014. This CPU has a number of impressive specifications that make it well suited for a wide range of enterprise computing applications. Architecture and manufacturing process. The Xeon E5-2650L V3 is built on a 22 nanometers manufacturing process and features the Haswell microarchitecture. It has 12 physical cores and 24 threads, thanks to Intel's hyper-threading technology. This allows the CPU to execute up to 24 tasks simultaneously, which is essential for demanding computing applications. Cache and memory. The CPU has a total of 30 megabytes of cache, divided into 3 levels. The first level is the L1 cache, which is split into 12 kilobytes of instruction cache and 32 kilobytes of data cache per core. The second level is the L2 cache, which is 256 kilobytes per core. Finally, the third level is the L3 cache, which is 30 megabytes shared across all the cores. The Xeon E5-2650L V3 supports up to 768 gigabytes of DDR4 ECC registered memory across 24 DIMM slots. This memory is clocked at 2133 MHz and has a maximum bandwidth of 68 gigabytes per second. ECC, error correcting code. Memory is designed to detect and correct errors in data that is being processed, which is important for maintaining the integrity of data in mission-critical applications. Performance. The Xeon E5-2650L V3 has a base clock speed of 1.8 GHz and a maximum turbo frequency of 2.5 GHz. It has a TDP, thermal design power, of 65 watts, which is relatively low for a server-class CPU with 12 cores. This makes it well suited for use in environments where power consumption is a concern, such as data centers and cloud computing environments. The CPU supports Intel's Advanced Vector Extensions 2, AVX2, instruction set, which provides a significant performance boost for applications that can take advantage of it. AVX2 can perform up to 256-bit vector operations, which allows for faster processing of data in parallel. Virtualization. The Xeon E5-2650L V3 supports Intel's VTX virtualization technology, which allows multiple operating systems to run on the same physical hardware. This is essential for data centers and cloud computing environments, as it allows for more efficient use of computing resources. The CPU also supports Intel's VTD virtualization technology, which improves the security and reliability of virtualized environments. Security. The Xeon E5-2650L V3 features a number of security features that are important for enterprise computing environments. These include Intel's Trusted Execution Technology, TXT, which provides hardware-based security for virtualized environments. Text uses Secure Boot and a Trusted Platform Module, TPM, to ensure that only authorized code is executed on the system. The CPU also supports Intel's ICE-NI, Advanced Encryption Standard New Instructions, instruction set, which provides hardware-based acceleration for encryption and decryption. This is important for protecting sensitive data in transit and at rest. One of the key features of this CPU is its support for Intel's Turbo Boost technology. Turbo Boost allows the CPU to increase its clock speed above the base frequency when additional processing power is needed. This can result in a significant performance boost in certain applications, although it also increases power consumption and generates more heat. Another important feature of the Xeon E5-2650L V3 is its support for Intel's hyper-threading technology. Hyper-threading allows each physical core of the CPU to execute 2 threads simultaneously, effectively doubling the number of logical cores. This can improve performance in applications that are designed to take advantage of multi-threading, although the actual improvement will depend on the specific application and workload. The Xeon E5-2650L V3 also supports Intel's Turbo Boost Max Technology 2.0, which is designed to identify the 2 fastest cores in the CPU and prioritize them for single-threaded workloads. This can further improve performance in applications that are heavily dependent on single-threaded performance. One area where the Xeon E5-2650L V3 falls short compared to newer CPUs is its lack of support for PCI 4.0. PCI 4.0 is a newer standard for Peripheral Component Interconnect Express (PCIe), that allows for faster data transfer rates between the CPU and peripheral devices like graphics cards, storage devices, and network adapters. The Xeon E5-2650L V3 supports PCIe 3.0, which is still a relatively fast standard but may limit the performance of newer peripherals. Overall, the Xeon E5-2650L V3 is a powerful and versatile CPU that can handle a wide range of enterprise computing workloads. Its low power consumption and support for DDR4 ECC registered memory make it well suited for use in data centers and other environments where power efficiency is a concern. Its support for virtualization, security features, and advanced instruction sets like KVX2 and ISNI make it a good choice for mission-critical applications. However, its lack of support for PCIe 4.0 may limit its performance in certain use cases.